We going to my shoot now. Dan going to, I think, what is it, Cherish? Is that Cherish?
No, this is Carrie Hilson.
Oh, Carrie Hilson. Oh, Miss Carrie, baby. Yeah. It's Carrie, baby.
Miss Carrie, baby.
Shit, you got the key because I ain't read mine.
I got it.
Okay.
I was about to say, we locked out Gina to shut the door.
We'd have been good. We'd have straight walked to the
We about to
office.
have fun.
About to have fun. Then go and make it clap.
I got my bag and shit. And my shoes and shit.
It's cool if you don't. We can get it when we come back from the hotel. Oh, now we gonna be able to get in though. Do you get it?
No, I ain't got it. So we're not gonna come
I
back.
don't get one.
We ain't got locked out. Thanks, y'all. One of y'all supposed to keep it in your purse.
Actually,
Or did you leave it in the car?
No, I had just came in and got some backup.
Oh.
Oh shit. Wow. We're headed to the door. We're headed to the door.
I can't wait till tonight.
We're going to the photo shoot
Yeah.
for Kalia.
Yeah, I know.
She gonna do it big. She gonna do it up.
I'm gonna try to do something, y'all
She gonna
understand
do
me?
it up, y'all.
I'm gonna show my booty. Booty cheek, no. Booty cheeks. I'm petite, but I got a little, you understand me? I got a little something. People leaving.
It's nice outside, y'all. It's not. It is real
Right.
nice.
I like
Dumb
the weather
nice.
here.
She got on a Bobby V shades, bruh. That's what's up.
Yes.
That's what's up. Oh, shit. Am I sitting in the front, or you want to sit in the front? You want to sit in the front?
It don't matter.
Oh, yeah, you can sit in the front.
Girl, we can't get in.
Oh, yeah. Tell him the truth. So, last night, my kneecaps hurt. Feel like I've been working out.
My thighs, my inner thighs.
talking about
If you
who's
really
these
want
out
to
here?
lose weight, all you have to do go to the club and just get it. Just get it like that. Get it. And you'll lose weight. My
Right.
thigh muscles are burning.
Right.
And drink plenty of water.
This is what I did the whole night. My legs was like killing me. Get it. Oh, get it.
He said your swag is so cute.
I gotta wait until the manager
Is it really like that? My swag is so cute because I done had a lot of niggas tell me like my swag is so cute.
She said we had no other key. She had no more keys.
And you my
Girl.
stripper then.
I'm just playing. I got it. That's why her back hurt, y'all. Right. She broke her back last night.
Hey, my back hurt for real.
Girl, my booty cheek hurt from doing too much. I
Right, because you had them heels on that.
She did them booty muscles, y'all. She was doing booty muscles.
Unless I got a fart. That's the only way I can do it. All right, I'm tough.